just pick Jrue Holiday's pocket right there and then take it in for a dunk. And then after that, Patrick looked over at his bench and had something to say to his buddies. Now Patrick gets the block that Texas has, I think, 12 of steal. Well, the true Rockets fans will be watching that broadcast.
Oh, there's another steal by Beverley. And a foul by Holiday. That's his 6th foul of the game, so Beverley has fouled him out. Holiday may be an all-star last year, but Patrick Beverley saying, I've seen enough of this stuff. Oh, man.
About 8 or 9 turnovers by Holiday.
There's a good thought behind that you're feeling better, you're feeling more athletic, so you try to do more.
There is Leonard. Here's Simmons, cut off by the presence of Siakam and a turnover.
He's turned into, Finals MVP early on in his career, then becomes the leader of the San Antonio Spurs, an elite organization.
Over the last 13, 14 minutes, a much different team. Simmons in trouble. Wow, and he lost it again. And a foul.
Thank you very much.
That was great defense by Kawhi Leonard. And look at it right here. He pokes it loose. And then Pascal Siakam, great pass by Kawhi Leonard.
Redick traveled. No call. Siakam gets a steal. And a slam dunk.
Be in this type of a situation with this team and the chemistry that they have. Remember, this team lost their 1st, 2nd, 4th, and 6th. They're just blowing out here. And it's just a great play and then an excellent look up the floor. That's what he's
Number 3 by Steven Adams to free up Corey Brewer, who was wide open.
Gobert blocked by George. Nice help defense by Anthony Rubio. On the baseline, no. George takes on Westbrook. Oh, that could have been a 6th. Short shot clock. Thunder doesn't get anything out of that, but then Grant gets back to challenge it. How about George? Brook is short. Mitchell racing. Blocked by...
Just beautiful touch that he shows.
George again got that ball in the passing lane. Goes right at the rim. Had the angle and spins it home.
Nice steal here by Paul George. Reading that pass. This is his 2nd one.
Pulled out of game 2 and foul trouble in game 3. The steal. George a 2-on-1. George will do it himself.
For what it continues to do and what it continues to build.
Favors a free agent to be. Exum throws it away. George slinking ahead.
Kuzma recovers, tries to get it to the top with Beverley the steal. By Rondo and a foul.
You don't want to play against.
You can see he's trying to draw contact.
Closing out quickly. That's got to continue.
Leonard the steal. And he landed in the front row.
Pound for pound, as much dog as anybody. He and Marcus Smart. Zubac
Gets his shot blocked at one end. Doesn't give up on...
Come on, Chad.
Turn your watch back 20 years.
Come on, they got some great restaurants there. The 4 position, Michael, expected to be a contributor. There's a steal by Paul George. Took it right away from Jackson. Nobody there, and he'll throw it down. Donovan likes to see a little pep in the step. Paul George just took it right away.
He just harassed him.
Flipped it. He's grabbing his side. Crab penetrates. Leonard the long reach.
Beverley with the turnover. Westbrook got one man to beat. Turns on the speed and lays it up. 46.
Got the biggest hands in the league, bar none. And then you see how he extends on that finish. Booming dunk.
Another Sixer turnover. Run. Jeremy Lamb, there's a turnover. Good pressure on the ball. Paul George waits, hesitates to the rim, and goes above the...
From downtown, where the Suns, that's a great bust up here by the Thunder.
With numbers, Jeremy Grant.
That interchange ends up being a turnover. Well, that's another steal.
18 a night, and that's their first on the break. Leonard drives, and a foul on Adetokounmpo.
Dame covered by Leonard. You see the length of Leonard there.
Range, he's 5 of 11, 11 points. Deflected, there's Kawhi Leonard.
Deflection by Nurkic. Now he's running the break, but Paul George with
the steal. Westbrook gives it up. Durant finishes off glass. And the rebound to Murray, but George intercepts the pass. Knifing his way, avoids Jokic and scores.
He read that the whole way. And look, he knows he's got
17. Hey, there's a turnover. Oh, and another one though. George, what anticipation. What a read to steal that outlet pass. Westbrook to the...
Thinking on Cleveland State, Southwest Missouri State. Teams of that ilk.
His mechanics are excellent. Great. Oh my goodness, what a play.
Diving stop by Leonard.
Overplay, overplay. Oh my goodness, what a tremendous play. Did not give up on a play. Chases him off the line.
Leonard comes up with the basketball yet again. Ahead to Kyle Lowry. Out between the circles. That's knocked away and stolen by Paul George.
Luke to the paint. Pass back outside, picked off by Paul George.
Start pressing a little bit with your offense because, as you said, Matty, these are the shots the Raptors make night in, night out.
Here's Fred, and he gets it to go.
Surge and Cantor both played.
Big hands and great instincts. There's another loose ball.
Turnover, corner. And there's Kawhi Leonard steal. Morris stolen by Leonard.
That's his first three of the game. There's a steal by Beverley. Beverley takes it inside, and goaltending called on DeAndre Jordan.
Toronto is just 3 of 13 from the field in the fourth quarter. Leonard almost took it away from Harris, and now he does. Leonard on the move. Leonard all the way to the cup.
Cavs defeated the Pacers, digging in defensively.
17 from the field, and the steal by Beverley was an excellent defender. Took it out of the hands of Felton.
That's like scoring a touchdown right at the end of half and getting the second half kick off.
Poke away.
Pass on an Obi. Line drive misses. Rozier goes high.
And take it back, Kawhi Leonard.
And the rip away. Paul George steals it away from Cody Zeller, and it results in a book. Magic have turned it over twice, leading to 5 points. They get a switch. Leonard stays with them. The steal.
Oh, Kawhi Leonard. You talk about two-way action. He took the ball away from Dwayne Wade.
Point so far, trying to shake Paul George. And ball's taken away by Schroeder, and he gives George a little Christmas gift after the D on the...
They're getting into paint, and they have they're +6 on the glass. They have 6 offensive rebounds as well.
Leonard, and 5:18 left in the game. Here's Luka Doncic driving. Runs into the defense.
That's his third from downtown. Lost by Durant, and Durant was not able to recapture.
LeBron looking for the three, picked up by Beverley on the switch. And he falls back and fires it through. The shot clock was going off. Down the other way to Beverley.
Dinwiddie. Leonard locked in on him. Turns. Loses it. Overtime.
According to Elias, Sports Bureau. Let me see. Pretty move by Beverley. And the Clippers with an 8-point lead. How about Beverley with a block shot?
You want the Olajuwon move, and then, hey, let's give Olajuwon some more credit. He's bad for sure.
10-point game with 10 minutes to go. Matthews blocked by Leonard on a three.
Showing some restraint, both with his ability to sit down for a second.
By Milwaukee and Toronto. I mean, that's a big story there.
Kawhi with the denial out on the perimeter on the Middleton three.
Up into the slot. About that, it wasn't a live ball turnover.
Beverley now is
What do you know, guys? It was 67-77. We'll see if they can finish.
Not a simple handoff.
Towns attacks, can't finish, follows his own miss, and then blocked from behind.
Nothing slithery about that. Just lightly quick hands from Jackson. But then it's smothered on the other end.
Not a good decision there.
He stole the ball.
You got one, two of the best defenders in the league.
Right, fast break for Miami. Cole going inside, blocked by Beverley. What a sensational defensive play. And then Beverley steals the ball as he knocks it to Parsons. And then knocked away from Parsons. Back to Beverley, and he's fouled by Cole. His personality.
Keep your eye, there's the block. And Pat Beverley is always moving. There's the steal. He plays so hard. He never gives up. He never backs down. Runs the court and gets fouled.
Cauley Stein blocked and a jump ball. Cauley Stein.
Josh Jackson blocked the shot. Now the turnover. Kanan snags it. Ariza, he got blocked on the other end by Paul George. Oh, what a play!
Stay vertical on the play, block the ball.
Dan gives it off to Richardson, and his three was blocked by Leonard.
He didn't take those shots before, but now he takes them with much more consistency, but he still does that on both ends of the floor, getting a nice block.
Siakam able to take advantage on the break following the block.
Westbrook kicks it out to Jones by mistake. Look out, Jones on the move. Paul George out of nowhere. The all-defensive team.
I honestly feel that Jones had no idea that George was running him down, okay? Mainly because he was concerned about the guy.
Aminu, came up and got blocked by George.
Talk about access denied at the rim. Paul George, just perfect.
And he said they're a tough team defensively, guys, so the Thunder are going to have to keep at it.
Butler blocked
From that distance and still line it up.
Sean Brooks blocked by George. That's a jump.